how to enable or disable show notification on app icons on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on home screen. So you will see home screen is here, so click on home screen. Now here, so scroll down and click on app icon badges. So you will see app icon badges is here, so click on app icon badges. So you will see notification on app icons is here. So if you want to enable notification on app icons, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see notification on app icon is enabled. So if you want to disable notification on app icon, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see notification on app icon is disabled. So you will enable or disable notification on app icons from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable show notification on app icons on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.